In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create initials in Adobe Fill Sign. By the end, you'll have clean, reusable initials ready to drop into any PDF without retyping or redrawing them each time. Start by opening your PDF and launching the Fill Sign tool. You can do this from the Tools menu or from the global bar at the top, depending on your version. When Fill Sign opens, you'll see a streamlined toolbar across the top of your document. That's your workspace for adding marks, text, signatures, and of course, initials. Next, look for the sign icon in the top toolbar. It looks like the tip of a fountain pen. Click it and choose Add Initials. This takes you to a simple panel designed specifically for creating your initials. If you also see an option called Add Signature, that's for full signatures. Today we're focusing on initials only. Now choose how you want to create them. If you prefer a quick, clean look, select the Type option. Enter your initials exactly as you want them to appear. You can click Change Style to preview different script fonts. Pick a style that looks natural and is easy to read. The goal is something that feels personal but remains legible across various document sizes. If your initials include periods or specific capitalization, add those here so they're saved exactly as you intend. If you want a more personal touch, choose Draw. Use your mouse, trackpad, or on a touchscreen, your finger or a stylus to write your initials freehand. Take your time and write a little larger than you think you need. Smoother strokes often shrink down nicely. If a line looks jagged, slow your hand slightly for cleaner curves. You can redraw until it feels right. For the most authentic look, select Image and upload a clear photo or scan of your handwritten initials. Write them on plain white paper with a dark pen, take a well-lit, straight-on photo, and avoid shadows. Crop tightly around the initials before uploading so the tool focuses on the mark itself. A high-contrast image generally produces the best result. When you're happy with the preview, make sure the Save Initials checkbox is turned on if you want to reuse them later. Then click Apply. Your cursor will switch to your new initials so you can place them anywhere in the PDF. Click to drop them and use the corner handles to resize proportionally. If placement isn't perfect on the first try, simply move or resize until it looks right. That's it, you've created initials in Adobe Fill Sign that you can reuse quickly and consistently across all your documents.